Hey folks, Brad Wardle, aka Captain Wingnut, and today we're in Lava Hot Springs, Idaho at the Riverside Inn and Hot Springs for a few days. First, let me say this is not a paid endorsement. We just thought it was a great place to share with you. This old hotel is like stepping back in time, almost like Casablanca. And the plus side is they have 3 private hot tubs with water that comes straight up from the volcanic lava heated water deep below the town. Once you check in, you just sign up for a hot tub and it's yours. Lock the door and your privacy is guaranteed. No need to go to the public baths in town. With the Riverside, you never leave the hotel and the 102-degree hot tub is all yours. Oh yeah, give yourself a gift and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you haven't already, click the bell icon, which means you'll be immediately notified when I release a video. Okay, let's go in and have a look around. As you come in the front door and up a small flight of stairs, sorry, no elevator, you arrive at the front desk. Just behind the front desk, through the double doors, is a nice little balcony sitting area, and just off to the right of the front desk is the Cafe ANBR. Included in your room cost, the front desk will give you a certificate for breakfast at the Cafe ANBR for each person in your party for each night that you stay. Betty is the owner and head chef, and she designed some great things to eat, with a lot of great side breakfast dishes too. The rooms, oh my heavens. There are rooms with king beds and rooms with king brass beds and queen beds and double queen beds, and the amenities in every room are astoundingly modern and beautiful. Down the stairs and to your right, you'll find the Portneuf Grill and Lounge. And there is a wonderful outdoor patio for dining next to the Portneuf River that runs alongside of this beautiful boutique hotel. It was a nice fall day, so we decided what better place to eat. We started with a wonderful green salad. I like ranch and blue cheese. And then on to the main course, lobster. Folks, this was one of the most delectable and reasonably priced lobster tails I have eaten in a long time. Cooked to perfection, and with my princess on the patio with me, made it even better. Oh yes, when you check in at the front desk, be sure to reserve your spa times. Each room gets 2 30-minute spa times per day. Back down the stairs and to the left, you'll go through the door and find 3 doors on your left. The first door is the small spa. 2 of us fit comfortably. And with the door locked, privacy is all yours. Out the door and down the hall again to your left, we find spa number 2. This is the medium spa, a bit bigger, and it has a beautiful atrium in the room with you. Down the hall 6 more steps to your left and you're in the large spa. This one is huge. If you have a large party of friends and or family, this is the spa that will probably fit your needs. All of the spas are filled with natural and wonderfully healing 102-degree volcanic mineral water coming up from wells 800 feet beneath the hotel. If you leave the hotel, all of the dining, shops, and events in town are within close walking distance. Wow, what a cool place from the past. Come and stay and have fun in your private hot springs bath. Who knows? You might even see me here and score some free Captain Wingnut swag. Thanks for watching this far, and don't forget to subscribe. I promise it will be worth your while. Alright, November Charles, Whiskey to November, Tango. Okay, try it again. Alright, November Charles, Whiskey November Tango, Captain Wingnut, signing off.